The human appendix, or vermiform appendix, is a narrow tube-shaped sac attached to the cecum, the first part of the large intestine. It is usually located at the lower right quadrant of the abdomen, though its exact position can vary slightly among individuals. On average, the appendix measures about 8 to 10 centimeters in length. For much of medical history, the appendix was widely considered a vestigial organ, which means a leftover from human evolutionary ancestors that had lost its original function over time. This view was made popular in the 19th century by Charles Darwin, who suggested that the appendix was a remnant of a larger cecum used by early herbivores to digest tough plant material. However, in humans, as feeding and diet evolved and became more varied and easier to digest, the appendix seemingly became redundant. The appendix is still considered non-essential for survival. However, modern research suggests that this small structure might play a more nuanced role in human biology than once believed. Recent research has challenged the notion that the appendix is completely useless. Several studies and theories suggest that the appendix may serve some important biological roles. One of the most prominent modern theories is that the appendix acts as a safe house for beneficial gut microbes. In the event of gastrointestinal diseases such as diarrhea, which can flush out gut bacteria, the appendix may help to repopulate the intestines with healthy microbes, aiding in recovery. Though not directly involved in digestion, the presence of healthy bacteria housed in the appendix may indirectly support nutrient absorption and intestinal balance, especially after illnesses or antibiotic treatments that disrupt the gut flora. The appendix is most well known for one reason: appendicitis. Appendicitis is the inflammation of the appendix, typically caused by a blockage due to fecal matter, foreign bodies, or infection. If left untreated, this pressure can cut off blood supply, causing tissue death and lead to perforation or bursting. When the appendix bursts, it releases infected material into the abdominal cavity, leading to a condition called peritonitis, a serious widespread infection of the lining of the abdomen. This can be fatal if not treated immediately with surgery and antibiotics. The symptoms of appendicitis and potential rupture include sudden pain in the lower right abdomen, nausea and vomiting, fever, loss of appetite, abdominal swelling, and rebound tenderness, which is pain upon release of pressure. Appendicitis requires prompt medical attention, and the standard treatment is appendectomy, the surgical removal of the appendix, which can be performed via open surgery or laparoscopically. Many people undergo appendectomies each day and live healthy lives without the appendix. This supports the idea that while the appendix may serve some functions, it is not essential for survival. The body can compensate for its absence. The appendix is not unique to humans. It appears in over 70 different mammal species, including apes, wombats, and rabbits. Interestingly, it has evolved independently in different evolutionary lineages, suggesting that it might confer some adaptive advantages.